So contour with the disc and using strips. Now we are in this stage with the contour almost the same. Now we go for the primary morphology. So using the pencil in this way, you see how many times I'm moving the pencil is the same line. So the tip of the pencil have to be proximally. So now you see not a straight and harmonious line and more in the different position. And the other tooth, that is our reference, we will see how the line looks. So very important to have the line is to hold, and the line have to be mark with the side of the pencil, So now we see also in the height that is too much material, and also in the shape, the V shape is not symmetrical. So for that we can use this disc like now, or we can use a burr. Now here it depends of how you prefer to use and how you are used to use these instruments. But very important to see what we want to do. As I told you at the beginning, the key is to see what we do and what there is. So in this way we know how to use the instrument to obtain what we would like to get. So here we can see that the line is a little bit more inside the tooth, the other line is more on the go outside the corner of the tooth. So actually what we have to do is to the line on the 1-1 to the incisor part to go more on the center. So just with a small touch of the disc, the line is moved more in the center. We mark again and we get what we want to obtain. Always after you finish a little bit, you use again the pencil to see what you have. When you finish the first morphology, we go on the second morphology, but only when the first morphology is done. And now you can mark it with the articulator paper to see it, or you can use the light and reflection to see it in the light. You can do both situation. But at the beginning, if you are at the beginning, I suggest you to use this paper. You will see better the morphology. As a nice tip, before you use this articulator paper, put some glaze on the surface of the composite, because sometimes there are some bubbles on composite, and when you will do with this red paper, that bubbles will be filled with ink, and you will be very frustrated removing that ink color. So clean everything, just small glaze, small layer of glaze. That glaze will fill all the bubbles and all the small pieces in the composite that they are usually in the material. And after you start to do the finishing procedure, and you will not have that surprise. Then we go with the burrs, and in the end for tertiary morphology, if you want and if the tooth have, use this tip of the burr. And very important to be parallel, to not be crossed, because otherwise if they are crossed, they are not tertiary morphology, it's just some scratches. So this rubber, and also you can use this cotton wheel to have final gloss.